Hey there, future tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating generations of computers. First generation, 1940 to 1956. These were giant machines using vacuum tubes. Think of the ENIAC. It filled an entire room. Second generation, 1956 to 1960. Enter transistors. Smaller and more efficient than vacuum tubes, these made computers faster and more reliable. Third generation, 1964 to 1971. This era saw the invention of integrated circuits. Imagine thousands of transistors on a tiny chip. This made computers even more compact and powerful. Fourth generation, 1971 present, the microprocessor revolution. With millions of transistors on a single chip, computers became personal. We now have laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Fifth generation, present and beyond. This is all about artificial intelligence. Think of voice assistants and smart machines. So whether it's a room-sized computer or AI in your pocket, each generation has shaped our tech world. Keep exploring, and who knows what the future holds.